happy and sweet, with bright, happy eyes and fast little feet. He wakes up at 7, ready to play, and starts with good habits to kick off the day. He grabs his blue toothbrush and turns on the sink, brushing his teeth in a splash and a wink. Yay! Up, down, and around, making bubbles so white, to keep his smile healthy and shiny and bright. For breakfast, Pip munches on apples and oats. Not too much candy for healthy young coats. He drinks all his water and eats up his greens. The strongest, fast puppy that you've ever seen. When playtime is over, he puts toys away in boxes and bins, so they're safe for next day. Yay! He always says please, and he always says thanks. The most polite pup in the neighborhood ranks. Good habits help us shine, doing great all the time. Strong and healthy, happy too. Pip the Puppy's here for you. When the moon comes up high and the streetlights turn on, Pip puts his red cozy pajamas right on. He reads a great book, rests his head on